Okay, so this video we want to talk about the CK-100, and I can't be too loud because everybody's sleeping, so you're gonna have to listen real close. This device often have to press escape button twice, and that basically means that it's trying to communicate with the motherboard inside the device, and it's failing to do so. So, as you know, there's nothing to do really to fix this problem, and all the real solutions out there aren't really real, so I'll just get straight right to it. What you want to do to refresh your device is you're going to keep connecting it to the electrical 12-volt connector, and it's going to keep telling you press escape twice, and there's no point pressing it. What you're going to do is flip the device. Okay, you're going to have all these screws at the back. Just grab a regular screwdriver, unscrew the screws. I already did that, obviously, as you can see. I just managed to solve this, and I just decided to share it with everybody because, to be honest, I couldn't find a very detailed solution. So what you want to do is, those connectors that the other videos are talking about are located right here. Okay, that's the connector, and you want to separate it carefully, really carefully. You see it separated a little bit, and you separate it a bit more. Oh, that was a little bit too aggressive. I hope I didn't rip it off its spot. Okay, and then you separate. There's nothing here. There's only one more on the other side right there. So I'm using just two hands for the camera, so not big on cameras. And there you go. So that's that motherboard that I was fluffing you about. So that thing is your actual, that's the thing that contains all the brains. And these are the connectors. So if you'll see, first of all, what I'll do, and that's what I did, I'll connect the power to this thing, and you're gonna see what it's gonna say here. It's gonna say it's trying to connect, right? It's not succeeding to connect, and it just keeps redoing it again and again and again. So I let it do it a couple times, just for the sake of, hey, well, it's disconnected now, in hopes of resetting it. Okay, let's pause it for a moment as I disconnect the power with two hands. I don't want to be zapped. Okay, so with the power off now, I got the device assumingly reset. Now again, you saw that it was working before because I already did it, and I'm just sharing it with you. So I'm just gently connecting it back. Let's make sure that it sits right in. You can zoom in on it, doesn't matter. I'm sure it sits right in. Check the other side, and looks good to me. And here, see that it's right there. Nope. And you gotta be careful. And that's the reason why, because I actually messed up. I didn't plug it in right, and hopefully I didn't damage anything. No. One last look at this thing before I put it back in, as it's amazing. Isn't it cool? Okay, so let's put it back in. Oh, shouldn't be pressing. If I'm pressing, it doesn't zoom in. Okay. Remember, you gotta be in the slot. There we go. That's in the slot. Oh, now it's zoomed in, and we can see it has to be in the slot. This one's in the slot. Okay. Now let's flip it up. Yep, that's in the slot, and that's in the slot. And if it works now, that means that our experiment is still a success. Okay. Sorry that this video is so long and boring. I could just get straight right into it, but you know, YouTube likes a long video, so we'll give it to him. Alright, so there we go. Let's connect the power and see if our device is still alive. Okay. And press escape twice, so he came back. That is very interesting. Very interesting. I connected it back on, and then press escape twice back on. I press escape twice, nothing happens, obviously. Let's try to reassemble it again, because I just brought it to life. Let's try to reassemble it again. So the second time I tried, it actually connects and it works. So yeah, as you can tell, the connectors here, they were crappy. So the motherboard having interruption while the device is trying to connect to it. But again, for now it seems to be working pretty well. Seems to be working pretty good. And yeah, you just saw basically the problem here and the fix temporarily, really. I mean, if it's cold in where you are and this device malfunctions while you're trying to program a car key, it really sucks. But this is a temporary fix. Basically, I'll just do it again. Remove it back. There we go. I'm doing one hand. This is very nice. Practice for my hands. Okay. Maybe I want to just clean up the contacts a little bit. That might help. Maybe some alcohol or just some type of cleaner or some electronic cleaner maybe. That might do the job because the motherboard's still alive. It's just the connectors, the contacts. If you want to keep using this awesome device, I would just recommend not breaking it and just refreshing it. See, we just reflash it, guys, and that's it for today with this piece of garbage that people like to run over with their cars on the internet. So I decided to keep mine and just take it apart, guys. I mean, don't have to be so angry. Anyways, enjoy your holidays.